we've got the shop set up. Now we need to tell the customers what our shop is called and what's inside so they know what to expect. So we're going to make a shop sign. Also going to make some price tags so we can label the prices of each of the items. There might be some other labels that you might want to make, like if you've got some baskets like I've got Chris, you might want to label those. Also, if you want to, you can make yourself like a little store badge that says like manager and put your name on it. You could even go and dress up if you want to be the shopkeeper. So we'll do those first. Then while you're setting that up, I'm going to record the phonics video, okay? Then we'll talk about making some opening hours and an open and close sign in a different video, and we'll look at a clock, and then we'll work out the money, and then we'll go buying. Okay, so first I'm going to start by making my sign. So I've got 2 pieces of paper because I want my sign to be quite big, and I'm just going to sellotape them together first. There we go, look, I've doubled the size of this paper, so I've got 2 of the same and put them together. I'm now going to, with my best careful handwriting, make a really big sign. You might want to make it bubble writing, but it's important to be neat as you possibly can, because who wants to go to a messy looking shop? Right, so what shall I call my shop? Let's have a think. I'm going to call it Fab Foods, because it's got food in it, and the alliteration, because there's a f and fab and f in food, makes it sound a bit more interesting. Now, when you make your sign, use your phoneme fingers to sound out as many sounds as you can. Alright, so it doesn't have to be spelled exactly how the word should be. It's up to you if you want to do that for your family, but it's really okay if you use your phoneme fingers and get as many different sounds that you can hear in the word or the words to make your sign. So, fab, f-a-b. I can spell that one, fab, so I'm going to make that one. So I need the writing to be nice and big and eye-catching, so people would want to come to my shop. I'm going to do it really carefully and big, so do a nice big f and then a and b. I'll show you that in a minute. Right, there we go, look, I've tried to make it stand up using different colours. I still did these 2 letters carefully, but then actually with the felt tip I went round it again to make it nice and thick. And then I did a nice capital F, because it's the beginning of my name on my shop, isn't it? To stand out. So I've done fab. Now I need to sound out food, don't I? Fab food. So now I need to write food. So f-u-d, food. So I need the F. I'm going to do another capital F actually for my name. 2 O's and a D. Remember, you've got your letter mats to help you in your phoneme mat if you need it. So I'm going to finish that. Right, there's the word food. Food. So it says fab food. I'm going to put my sign up by my shop. Alright, there it is. Okay. So I've got my sign. Now, if I wanted to, you guys could do this. Like I could have labelled crisps here. Could have put chocolate bars. It's up to you what you do. Remember, as long as you use your phoneme fingers and super handwriting, that's all that really matters. Right, I'm now going to make some price labels so people know how much things cost. I've got some sticky labels to do my prices on, but you could do pieces of paper and cut them up. The most important thing is that you form your numbers very carefully. So get that number formation booklet out to help you. And once you've done the number, you need to put a little P next to it to stand for pence. Now, we're only get up, well, together, we're only going to use the coins 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. So the most amount of money I'm going to put down is up to about 25 pence or something like that. And think about it, because we're going to do some adding. So think about the numbers that you might be able to add up to when you're using the coins. So that's the numbers you should choose really for your prices. In real life, none of these things would cost this amount of money. Otherwise, we'd have loads of it. Alright, but it's just to help us learn how to add with money. So I'm going to do one that is 7. And I'm going to put the pence next to it like that. Can you see that? And I'll do another one that is 13. Oh, shh, don't say that out loud. That one. I might do one that is, I don't know, 4 pence. So I'm going to have a good think and label all of my items with different amounts of money, okay? There you go. I've labelled all of my items for sale. And what I was trying to do is I was thinking, well, these small chocolate bars would be cheaper, have a lower price. smaller number, then things like coffee, because that would be much more expensive. Look at the size of that jar. And I was thinking the Coke might be cheaper than the curry sauce. So have a go then at labelling all your items and making a shop sign, and even maybe a shopkeeper's badge and a uniform. Right, I'm going to video phonics next, okay? So you've got a lot of time to sort that out.